Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Temperatures already in the mid 70s with some humid conditions, so feeling like summer out there as it has the last few days. Thunderstorm chances look to be fairly decent this evening into the early overnight hours, as we've missed out on the shower and thunderstorm activity the last few days. Those storms last night moved north of the Wallops region and north of Salisbury as well, so that activity should sag into the region this evening, and even a chance for a thunderstorm for mid-afternoon hours today as well at Wallops. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure off the coast that's been providing us with this warm and unseasonably humid air mass into the region. That's going to continue to be in store for today and tomorrow. We have a weakening area of showers across the Ohio Valley, including Kentucky, as well down to the Tennessee Valley. It's going to be moving towards our region for this afternoon, evening, and that will be the energy associated with those showers that's going to be providing us with the best chance of showers and thunderstorms for our area. Looking at our current conditions as of 8:15, we have a few clouds around 12,000 feet. Some cirrus clouds with a broken deck of 25,000 feet, winds out of the south-southwest at 6 knots, temperature 75 degrees, and relative humidity at 80%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see a good amount of cloud cover across Ohio as well as Kentucky into West Virginia, seeing some clearing across central Virginia, and seeing some clearing skies across central Delmarva and southern Delmarva. We do have some cloud cover around 12,000 feet that's going to be moving in toward the region. You can see that cloud cover has moved back in time, and streaming up from the southwest to the northeast across the area, and that's going to be providing us with perhaps a mostly cloudy condition from time to time this morning, but overall should stay partly cloudy to mostly sunny for most of the day today before we see the increase of cloud cover with storms developing along the Piedmont and central Virginia and moving towards our region. So taking a look at the MRMS radar activity this morning, you can see that rain shower activity across Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia into the northeast states. Really not seeing much across the mid-Atlantic region or the coastal plain this morning, but that will increase as we move into the afternoon hours. So taking a look at the HER model for today, looking like this is initializing as one of the best models. Models really all over the place with the activity this morning, but you can see once we move into noon, we're going to have some shower and thunderstorm activity possibly develop in south central Virginia, northern central North Carolina, and that's going to be possibly moving towards our region for the mid-afternoon hours, the late afternoon hours, and moving into the region possibly as early as about 4 o'clock this afternoon into the early evening. You can see additional line of showers and thunderstorms developing across northern and western portions of Maryland as well as northern Virginia, and that activity should spread across the region for the evening hours, with our best chance of thunderstorms looks like it should come after about 10 o'clock until about 2 a.m. local time on Saturday morning. Some of the model guidance is showing us having a better chance after midnight than before, but with this activity typically a little bit quicker than the models show, with the thunderstorms and line complexes moving towards the region, so moving up that timing a few hours. But overall, the overnight hours should see those showers and thunderstorms really dissipate and leaving the area after about 4 local on Saturday morning, and should see a pretty good morning for Saturday with just some warm, humid conditions continuing with anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions with a good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have green conditions this morning in regards to precipitation and lightning. Temperatures quickly rising this morning around 85 degrees, and they should see that 85 degree high, or we should see that 85 degree high around noon to 1 o'clock, and then falling thereafter with the south-southwesterly winds increasing to 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 22 knots, and we do have a slight chance of seeing those winds up to wind advisory criteria for this afternoon. If we do see more of a southwesterly wind, which I'm not expecting for a longer time period, could easily see the mid-80s the upper 80s across the region today at Wallops, but I do expect more of an onshore flow today. That should keep our temperatures capped in the mid 80s. So for tonight, we'll see those rain shower chances and thunderstorm chances increase, seeing a 20% chance after 1600 local. Then we'll see a 60% chance after 2100 local, and that should last until about Saturday at 2 local, and then seeing a 20% chance from Saturday 2 local to Saturday at 4 local. So our best chance of showers and thunderstorms comes during the late evening hours into the early overnight hours tonight, with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm beforehand. Also, with the rainfall across the region expected, if we do see that rainfall, could be seeing some fog or patchy low clouds across the region during the overnight hours, with winds becoming lighter out of the southwest at 5 to 10 knots, possibly becoming variable less than 5 knots during the overnight hours. And we'll see a low tonight around 70 degrees. So taking a look at our 24-hour terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions today. Going to see some fair weather cumulus clouds develop around 3,000 feet. They will become more cumulus type from the fair weather cumulus, seeing more height to those clouds once we move into the late afternoon hours, and with that we'll see those chances of showers and thunderstorms. And move into the overnight hours, we'll see a chance of seeing the ceilings below or at 500 feet, and with that possibility of the patchy fog and low clouds across the region. But overall, by tomorrow morning, should see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions across the region, with that chance of the low clouds. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at the weekend, Saturday will be partly cloudy, to mostly sunny, hot and humid, with a chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm with a cold front crossing the region. We'll see a high of 89 degrees. About a 20 to 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the day, as I mentioned. We'll see Saturday night, chance of evening showers and thunderstorms, then mostly clear and less humid, a low of 64 degrees. And Sunday looks like a very nice day, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, less humid and pleasant, a high of 78 degrees. We'll see our northwesterly winds on Sunday affecting in that really less humid, drier air mass, and that's going to provide us with very comfortable weather, and seeing highs only in the upper 70s to low 80s across the peninsula. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.